Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the dictionary feature in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then you want to select the dictionary. The dictionary can also be opened by selecting the Control, Shift, and Y key on your keyboard at the same time. And now at this point, you go ahead and search a dictionary up in the top right for custom words. And then you hit enter on your keyboard to search. And then it would give you a whole dictionary breakdown of what the word is that you are searching for. If you have synonyms that it suggests here, you can actually select the hyperlink, which will pull up its own new dictionary page result for that word. Now, if you want to search within the document itself, if you double click on a word and then right click on it, and you can select where it says define, and then it will have in quotations what the word is. Go ahead and select that, and then it'll pull it up in the dictionary on the right side here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. Do a buzz, it'll help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.